Hello my dear students and my dearest parents, welcome back to Maths class. So we are seeing a grade 2 CBSE Maths syllabus. So today we are going to see about the addition. So we have already seen about the addition, how to perform the addition, how to calculate when it comes as a carry, how to calculate with the carry. We have seen lots of problems on additions. So on that basis, now we are going to perform some more exercise regarding addition. Okay, let's read to that. Okay, the first question is add the numbers. Always you have to be very careful with the question, children. Okay, add the numbers on the given abacus. On the given abacus, yes, I'm going to give the abacus. Okay, so let's check it. Always it represents ones and it represents tens. Okay, so I'm going to give you the option A 76, option B 78, option D 87, option D 70. Okay, so now once again I'm going to explain the question. Add the numbers on the given abacus. So there was given two sets of abacus, isn't it? So two set of abacus they have given. We are going to add the abacus. We're going to add the two abacus. So how you are going to add the abacus? With the help of the ones and tens. With the help of the ones and tens, how you are going to calculate? We'll see that. Okay. So see, in a ones column, how many beads are there? 3 beads are there. In a tens column, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 beads are there. So 43. This is it. So 43. So I'm just writing the number here, 43. Okay. So next, see here in a ones column, how many beads are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 beads are here. In a tens column, how many beads are here? So 3 beads are here. So 35. So 35. Always is ones and a tens. So you should be know about how ones and tens. Okay, children. Okay, now calculate 5, 3 in the mind and 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So 8 in ones column we got an answer 8. Next move on to the tens column. So 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 78. So we got a 78 as an answer. Let's check which option is having the number 78. Option B. So option B is the right answer. Okay, children. Let's explain one more time. Add the numbers on the given abacus. So the given abacus was this. Okay. So but they doesn't give it a plus means you don't get confused. This is what we have to find it out, the number of beads on a ones column and a tens column, and we have put it together and we perform the additions. Okay. So this is a very simpler one. This is very simpler one. Okay. So next, find the missing number. Okay, so 8 plus dash is equal to 15. They have given the answer. Okay, they have given the answer, but you have to find it out the question. Okay, so what the question was given? Find the missing number. 8 plus dash is equal to 5. So what does that meaning? What the number, if which number is added with the number 8, then then you will get the 15. Okay. So for example, so these are the options was given 8, 7, 5, 6 and these was the options. What is the question? 8. Okay. So this is the answer. We have to find it out the addend. Okay. So what is the answer they given? 15. So 8. So 8 next to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. If you add 7 numbers with the 8, then you will get number 15. So 7 is the answer. I think that you don't get understand. I know that. Okay, so once again I will tell you. Find the missing number. Find the missing number means we have to find it out the missing number here. Okay, so generally they will give the find the missing number means we have to find it out the answer. But in this case they given the answer, we have to find it out the addend. Okay, so we have to find out the addends. 8 plus, if we added which number, if you are going to add it with 8, then what the number will, then you have to get the 15. So if you add 8 with 7, how you find it out? 8, if you add 8 with 7, then you will get 15. Next 8 to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Up to from 8 to 15 you have to count. You have to leave the fingers and counted. So how many fingers I have left it? 7 fingers I have leave it. Okay. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. So 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Okay, so next question is going to be like a set of questions. I will explain you. Once I have finished with the question, I will explain you. Okay, now I am going to put some square boxes. Okay, in each boxes I am going to assign some names. So this box is a X, and this box is Y, and this box is Z. Okay, so this box is, so the every sums, what are the sums I have given here, which is always related to the addition. Okay, so the first sums I have just drawing a X. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So X is a group of box which contains some number of eggs. Okay. So next Y box, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next 2. So Y having a set of number of eggs. Next Z, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the X box and Y box and Z box having a set of X's. Okay. So what is the first question? Now I'm going to ask you 3 questions. The 3 questions is related with the X, Y and Z. Okay children. Let's see what's that. Find the total number of eggs in set X and set Z. Options, I am giving the options also. Option A 25, option B 37, option C 30, option D 35. Okay, so this is what the first question. So set of, how many sets of eggs is there? There are 3 set of eggs is there, isn't it children? So how many sets of eggs are here? 3 set of eggs are here. What are the sets? X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. Okay, so what is the first question related to? They are asking find the total number of eggs. So they are asking the total number of eggs in which set X and set Z. So we have to calculate set X and set Z. We are going to calculate how many number of eggs are in the set X and set Z. Okay, let's be counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 and 14. So 14, set X having 14 eggs and set Z. How many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So set Z have 23 eggs. So, but the question is like what the question asking, total number of eggs. Total number means we have to put together x eggs and z eggs, we have to put together. So, put together means we have to perform the addition. We have to perform the addition. How you are going to perform the addition? 4 in the mind and 3 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, isn't it? 5, 6, 7. Next, 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 1, 2 and 3. So, 37 is the answer. Option B. Okay, children, don't worry. Once again, I will explain you. Listen, they given us 3 sets of eggs. 3 sets of eggs. X, Y and Z. So, what is the first question they are asking? Find the total number of eggs. They are asking a total, that every eggs. Okay, total number of eggs. In which set? They are asking a set X and set Z. So, set we have to add the count the X eggs. 14. Then we have to count the Z eggs. How many eggs are there? 23. So, we put together, we put 14 plus 23. We put together, we got total eggs is, total eggs. Total eggs is 37. They are asking the total number of eggs. Total number of eggs. So, total eggs is equal to 37. Okay. Now, you understand? Okay. So, the next question is also related to the same egg set of eggs. Let's see that. Next question. Find the total number of eggs in set X, Y and Z. So, I am giving the option also. Option A 49, option B 39, option C 59 and option D 40. So, this is a very simpler sum when comparing before, isn't it? Because I have explained you already the same question. So, what the question is given here? Find the total number of eggs. So, find the total. Total means we have to add. Okay, we have to add everything. In which egg? X, Y and Z. In previous sum, they have given only the total number. What are the sets? How many sets we have to calculate the eggs? X eggs and Z eggs we put together and we added. What here they given? X, Y and Z. 3 sets of eggs. So, set X, set Y and set Z. So, now we have to calculate. So, how many eggs is in a X? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So, how many eggs is in a set X? 14 eggs in a set X. Okay, next move on to the set Y. How many eggs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, 12 eggs is in a set Y. So, how many eggs is in a set Z? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So, 23 eggs is on a Z. So, now we have to put together and perform the addition, because they have what they are asking total number of eggs. They have to find out every number, total number of eggs. So, 4 to 5, 6, 4 in the mind and 2 in the finger. After 4, 5 and 6. What the number we have got? And 6 we got it, isn't it? So, if you forget it, if you thought that you will forget, you just write it on here. Okay, children. Okay, next is 6 to 3. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, 9 is the answer. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So, 49. So, option A. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, children, that you all understand. Set X, set Y and set Z. What is the question was given here? Find the total number of eggs in set X, Y and Z. So, what is the question? You have to add together. Okay, children. Okay children, let's move on to the next question. See here, which of the following options, see you have to be very clear with the questions. Which of the following options gives the answer greater than 35? Okay, so everything we are going to like an addition, because we are seeing only the addition, okay, not any other calculation. So you have to think that is any problem which is regarding the addition. Okay, which of the following option gives the answer greater than 35? So what are the options they given? 13 plus 16, 17 plus 11, 23 plus 12, 24 plus 20. So these was the options they given. Okay, so what is the question? Which options will be greater than 35? So the answer should be one number greater than 35, isn't it? So one number should be greater than 35. Okay, so if you should not again take the number 13 and write down 16 and 3 in the mind, 6 in the finger. You don't need to do all those things. Okay, so you have to be grown up day to day. You have to grow day to day. So we have to be very clear, which is you everybody know ones and tens, isn't it children? So just put ones and tens. This is the easiest method to perform the addition without taking out the numbers and writing, scribbling. Don't need every such kind of things. Okay, so very simple. Okay, so see here how many numbers in a ones column? 6. Here 3. So 6 and 3. What is the, if you add 6 and 3, what is the number? 7, 8, 9. So 9 in a ones column. So if you add a tens, 29. So this is have you to follow. This is a very easiest method to calculate. So always if you get confused, just put ones and tens. Then you don't get confused. Okay. So ones and ones. 8 ones column. 1 and 1, 2 tens column. Next move on to the next one. Ones and ones, 5. Tens and tens, 3, 35. Ones and ones, 4. 2 tens and tens, 44. Okay, so this is the easiest method to calculate the addition. You don't need to take your numbers and write it and make a calculation. So very simple. If you add both ones and both tens, then you will get the answer. So very simple method. Okay, so move on to the question. So greater than 35. So which will be the greater than? Which option is the greater than 35? Option D is the greater than 35. It should not be 35. If they are given, it should be 35 means we can tick it here. What they have question given? Greater than, at least one number should be greater than 35. So we have to tick the option D. 24 plus 20 is the correct options. Okay, let's move on to the next sum. I hope that this is going to be very interesting problem. In a jungle, so jungle you know that's a forest. In a jungle there are only 5 lions. There are only 5 lions, 4 elephants and 20 deer. How many animals are there in a jungle? So we already seen such type of question, isn't it? So we have seen that in a egg problem, set x, set y and set z. What they have asking the question? They ask the question like a total number of eggs in a set x, set y and set z. The same thing they was asking here. Instead of egg, they was given animals. They given a different types of animals. So how many animals are there? Lion, 5 lions. Elephant, how many elephants are there? 4 elephants. How many deers are there? 20 deers are there. So 20 plus 4 plus 5. So then with this will be the answer. Let's find it out. So without writing like this, I'm going to make it an answer. So see here 0 and tens, sorry, ones and tens and ones and tens. So tens columns, nothing means it's a 0. Okay. So if you added ones column, so 9, isn't it? 9. Then added the tens column 2, 29. So option D is the right answer. Okay children, that you understand? So let me explain you one more time. I will explain you how to add 20 plus 4 plus 5. How you are going to calculate? Instead of writing like this 20 plus 4 plus 5. So instead of writing like this, you are going to perform like this itself. Ones and tens, ones and tens, ones and tens. For tens, nothing means it's a consider as a it's a 0 here. Okay, it's a 0. It's here. So now we add only ones, 5 and 4, 9. Next tens column 0 and here 2, 29. So 29 is the answer. So this is the simplest method to perform the addition. If you follow this method, then it will be easy to make the addition. Okay.
Pebbles CBSE Board Syllabus.